guys, I'm Charmaine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you all to all my subscribers. I'm very thankful for the support thus far, and for my appreciation, I'm going to show you how to make cheesy garlic bread. This will be so scrumptious, guys. Subscribe down below if you are new. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. So stay tuned. I'll be making the dough first, and these are the ingredients. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup coconut milk, room temperature. You can use any milk that you like. 1/2 teaspoon Mrs. Dash, garlic and herb, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you have, 1 teaspoon yeast. So the first thing I will do, to the yeast container I will add the sugar, then I will add a cup warm water, and I put it aside for 5 minutes for it to foam. I'm using my food processor. You can use your hands to make this dough. So I'll add the flour, add the herbs, oil, baking soda, baking coconut milk, add our yeast. I will select the dough option. So the dough is a little bit soft, so I will add about 1/4 cup again to see how it looks. Dough is finished, so I'm going to put a piece of plastic wrap over the container. Leave this for 1 hour for it to set. I will now go ahead and prepare the sauce for the bread. So here I have 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of parsley, and I'll use 1/2 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash. So I cut the garlic very fine. I'll now move on to the parsley. I also will try to cut them as fine as I can. These are mostly leaves, and I excluded the stalks. Place it in the container. Add herbs. I will also use 3 teaspoons butter. And I will now mix, try to combine it nicely. Our surface was clean. Sprinkle some of the all-purpose flour on it. I will now roll the dough. You can roll it in whatever shape you want. A pizza looking, a square looking garlic bread. On the other side. I will stretch it. So I clean the surface, spread my dough. So now time to add the garlic sauce all over the dough. Do not spread any of the sauce on the edges of that. That's how we will close the dough. So to top it off, I will use mozzarella cheese. I will use about 1/2 cup. So depending on how cheesy you want your bread, that's the amount of cheese you use. And again, if you're not a vegan, you can also use your regular mozzarella cheese or cheddar cheese. Sprinkle the cheese to one side of the dough because I will fold it at the end. While we're doing this, you can preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 125 degrees Celsius. Please preheat it for 10 minutes. So what we'll do is flip over the dough so that it reaches to the other end, and you try to seal it. So you can squeeze it down, or you can use a knife or a fork just to ensure that it remains closed during baking. The virgin olive oil, rub around the dough, then try to seal it. If it's not properly sealed, then cheese will melt and it will run out. I will gently take up the dough, place it in the pan. I will bake this for 10 to 15 minutes. Our cheesy bread is now out the oven. I will just cut it so you can see the inside of it. Here it is, as you can see, very cheesy inside. Time to test our cheesy garlic bread. delicious and very tasty. Scrumptious. I guarantee that you will love them. Please try this and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Please share with a friend so they can share it with their friends and keep the good vibes going. See you next time.